Yes, you read the thumbnail right.
In this video, I'll show you how you can get paid up to $31 or more or less per post on your Telegram channel. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. Right now, you may have some questions on your mind like, how can I get started? Is this possible? Is this real? Well, my answer is yes. And right now I'm going to show you how to get started. So the first thing you are going to do is to open your Telegram app, and in the search bar you search for Jeza Ad. Okay, right here I have multiple results, so I'm going to click on the one that is the bot, Jeza Ad bot. You click on that one. Now I'm going to start the bot. Well, wait, let me just give you a brief overview of what Jeza Ad is. Jeza Ad is an advertising and monetizing network, an ad network on Telegram that makes use of Telegram channels to advertise business, companies, and so on like that. So that's where you come in as a Telegram channel owner. With Jeza Ad, you will monetize the channel, adverts get posted on your channel, and you get paid in that 3 easy steps. So let me show you how you can monetize a channel with Jeza Ad and start getting paid. So once you start the bot right here, they have multiple buttons for based on what you want to do with the bot. So right here I'm going to deal with the monetize. That is how you can monetize your channel with this bot right now. So you click on the monetize right here. Then, oh sorry, I clicked that by mistake. So you are going to click on register new channel because you want to monetize your channel. And right here they have a little policy, like a little something for you to read. See, before you register your channel with Jeza Ad, you need to know that they have like 4 conditions that you need to be like a channel need to meet up to before you can monetize the channel with them. The first is they don't accept channels with less than 5,000 members. The second one is they only accept public channels. If your channel is private, you need to set it to public before you can monetize with this Jeza Ad. The third one is any channel with inappropriate content or 18+ content, pornographic content cannot be monetized with Jeza Ad. And the last one is they don't accept channels with inactive or let's say fake members, like when you have a lot of bots like members, passive members in your channel that are not active, that doesn't really view your content. So they don't accept channel with that sort of members too. So if you know your channel meets all these requirements above, you click on the continue button right here. So we have the continue button here, so I'm going to click on that. So now you need to reply with your channel link, and I'm going to I created a new channel to show you guys how to register. I'm going to enter the channel username here. This is truth. So I'm going to reply the bot again with the niche of my channel. Let me just say tech. So now the next step is adding. They said now add Jeza Ad post ad bots. As an admin in your channel with this permission can post message. So right here I need to add this bot, not this bot, this bot that is right, not this So right now I need to add this bot at just add post bot to the list of admin in my channel that I'm trying to monetize. So I'm going to copy the username of the bot. So I'm going to copy the username of the bot and go to my channel, and this is my channel right here. Click on that, go to administrators and add admin. So I'm going to start paste the username I copied earlier, and this is the bot I need to add. So I click on the bot, then I need to disable other permissions. I will only enable the permission that bot requested for, which is post message. So that will be enabled, the rest will be disabled. So once I'm done with that, I'll click on done. So since I'm done with this, I need to go back to the bot, and I'll need to click on. So they said after adding the bot, come back here and reply with done. So since I'm done with that, I need to reply with done. So now the next thing is calculate, like how much I want to be charging for 3 hours. Like for example, for this is just like when they post adverts to your channel for 3 hours, how much do you want to charge? Before you can decide on how much you want to charge for adverts posted for 3 hours on your channel, you need to look at the channel stats, like your channel statistics, like the number of members you have, how active they are, all this stuff. You need to look at them. The amount that a channel with 30,000 subscribers 30,000 subscribers that are active is different from the amount a channel with 5,000 subscribers will be charging. So let me just say $1 for this tutorial purpose. So I'm gonna say $1. And there's a note: the advert will be pinned for at least 1 hour, and this is how much you be paid for adverts posted on your channel for 3 hours. So I'm going to send that. So right there, you are invited. But let's say if someone invites you to this bot, to this JSAD bot, you can enter the person Telegram username right here, and if no, I'm going to enter no, since nobody invited me. Now I got a message just now. Okay, that's it. Thanks for using your channel with JSAD. Your registration will be reviewed by the admin, and after it is reviewed, you will receive a message from the admin so that you can know if it is accepted or not. After completing your monetization process, you need to sit back and wait for the admin to review your channel and get back to you, and once your channel is monetized successfully. So that's all I got for you in this video about how you can monetize your channel and start getting paid. If you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget the bell button too.